Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add an account on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, I want you to open your Snapchat app and click on your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. And now, click on the settings icon or option at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the log out option. So just go ahead and log out your account. And now, as you can see, I have two accounts here. So in order to do that, you need to sign up for another account or log in your second account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on sign up. And now your first and last name. Sign up and accept. You want to put your birthday. Click continue. And also you can change your username by clicking the change my username. And once you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on continue. Create your password. Continue. Now you want to put your cell phone number so that the Snapchat can send you the code, confirmation code. Continue. And now you can add any friends, but you can skip that part by clicking the skip button at the upper right corner of your screen. Click skip. Now you can create your Bitmoji, but you can also skip this part by clicking the skip button at the upper right corner of your screen. So now when you try to check again by clicking your profile at the upper left corner of your screen, click on settings and click on log out. Just need to verify my email. So I'm just gonna check the email so that I can verify my account. So now, as you can see, I have the email. Just need to click on confirm email. Then choose any browser. Just gonna choose Safari. And now your email address is now verified. So you can now go back to Snapchat and log out your account. So now, as you can see, I have 3 accounts, right? So that is how you do it. So if you want to log in to your other account, just go ahead and click on it. Then it's just it, and that's it. That is how you add an account on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.